Welcome back to a new video, and again we're looking at Univ.Money, and in this video I'm going to show you guys the compounding calculator. We've done a little bit of some spreadsheet stuff, and I'll just go in depth with the rewards. So if you guys do enjoy this video, make sure to drop a like, share it around the community if it helps anybody out, and make sure to subscribe to the channel because we're having daily videos on Univ.Money. But before we go any further, remember nothing in this video is financial advice. Make sure you do your own research and only invest what you're willing to lose. So first off, we'll head into the observatory. We can see I currently have my one planet with my pending reward balance of 1,967 Univ. We've got an Earth with a bonus of 5%. So we're going to compound this bad boy and get our rewards creeping up. So after that compound, we can see our Earth now has a 5.5% bonus. So let's go through these daily rewards and what the bonuses are. If we have a look in the white paper and the compounding, pretty much every single planet, obviously you get that 4% daily reward with a bonus. So every time you compound your planet, your bonus goes up a tier. So you'll start off with a Mercury planet with 0 bonus. After your first compound, you'll have a 1% bonus. Your planet will become Mars. Your next compound, it will be a 2% bonus up until 5%. And then after the 5% bonus, your planet will be Earth and you'll get 0.5 extra. So it'll go from 5.5 like my one here. My next compound will go to 6 and then 6.5 and so on. Then you hit Neptune at 10% where you get a 0.1 bonus, then Jupiter, then the Sun. So these bonuses don't add on to the 4%. So currently I have a 4% plus 5.5% bonus. I'm not getting 9.5%. The bonus percentage is a percentage of the 4%. So it's currently 4% and I'm getting 5.5%. So that is the percentage. So that's an extra 0.22%. So if we add 4, I'm actually getting 4.22% daily instead of the 4. It's not 9.5%. It's a percentage of the 4. So I hope that cleared things up. So again, every time you compound, your tier will go up. However, if at all you claim, your planet will go back to Mercury and you will have a 0 bonus. So if I claim the rewards now on this planet, it would go back to Mercury and I'd go back to just a 4% daily instead of that now current 4.22. In terms of the planets, later on down the line, the higher tier planet you have, the more privileges and boat weight you will have. And I believe they'll be dropping a sort of ladder board where it will show the best planets. So if you want to have heavy in this project, try and go for the Sun. So I have made a spreadsheet. This might not be the best, but I'll link it in the description down below. You guys can make a copy of it. You just have to go file, make a copy, and then you'll be able to edit it. So I believe everything in the calculator is right. If it's wrong, don't blame me. I've just tried to do this to help you guys visualize. So we'll put in the current price of Univ. As we can see, it's 0.00046. Again, the future price, whatever speculation you have, but we'll leave that plain. So first off, if we created a base planet of 42,000 Univ, obviously you get hit with that 28% fee, so you only actually get 30,000 Univ. And then this tab here is how much you currently have logged. So if we have a look at my planet, I have 48,520. So I'll go in and fill it in 48,520. So my planet is currently valued at $22.74. My daily reward, 4% plus my 5.5% bonus, which means I get a 4.22% every single day. Up here, we just have my daily rewards. So I should be receiving 1,474 Univ. This is factoring in the compound / the claiming fees. So we can see my estimated per day is actually 2,000 Univ. However, when you compound / claim, there's a 28% fee applied. So those tokens are put back into the treasury, I believe. That's why it's slightly lower, your daily rewards, than the expected ones. Obviously, if they were normal, it would be that correct amount of about 2,047. But we're going to leave it with the 0.72 because this is what you'll actually get after you either claim or compound. So yeah, my daily rewards, if you claimed them again because you lose that 28%, would be 1,474 Univ. And then weekly, I've just got times 7, monthly times 30, and yearly times 365. So currently my planet, if I was claiming rewards, would give me about 70 cents per day, and then around $5 per week. With the initial startup value currently to build this planet, well, if it was 42,000, was $22. If I just put it to what a base planet would look like, this might help you guys out. So you'd spend 14, well, your planet value would be $14.17. Again, you would have had to pay more for the 42,000 tokens, but to get your locked planet value back, you're getting about $3 per week. So it's going to take you around a month and a half to get your locked value back in Univ, pretty much, if you claim the rewards. But these numbers do not affect the compounding. So if we have a look here, this massive sheet, this goes through the compounding. So each number is however many times you've compounded, because you can compound every 4 hours. There is no current way to automatically compound, so you do need to click. But again, it doesn't make too much difference realistically. So first off, we'd start with our planet with 30,240 Univ. I just need to reset the daily rewards to 0% because this is what you would start with. 30,000 Univ with our daily reward bonus is 0 because we have just started a new planet. So we would get 4% per day. So after the first day, I've just noticed something was wrong. I wasn't including the fee. So now it should all be good. So yeah, after the first day, obviously when you auto compound, again, 28% of it you lose in a fee. So after the first day, you go up to, well, first compound, you'd go up to 31,000 Univ. And then obviously you get your daily reward bonus of 1%. So your daily reward would be 4.4. And then we go down. So 10 compounds, you'd be up to 40,000 Univ. In order to get your initial locked amount, pretty much you need 12 compounds. And if you're compounding every 4 hours, technically if you don't sleep, you could get 6 compounds per day. So it'd take you 2 days to basically earn back what was burned when you created a planet. And then anything on top of that is basically profit. So as you can see, there are the daily reward bonuses going up, but they do start to slow down because once you hit 5%, you only get 0.5. And then once you hit 10%, you only get 0.1. And you get 0.1 all the way up until 20. And then it goes to 0.05 bonuses. 0.05, your planet is a Jupiter, 20 to 30%. And then once it is Sun at 30%, it goes to 0.01. So just showing you guys with a base, well, any planet, it will take you 315 compounds to get your planet to a sun. Again, if you never slept and you just compounded every 4 hours non-stop, that's still going to take you 52.5 days. So just bear that in mind. That's how long it would take you. Obviously, your unit balance would be looking pretty nice. But again, you'll have to speculate on the unit price. It's all quite hard to tell. But in theory, that's how much your planet would have locked. Remember though, your planet locked value, you can't sell those tokens. You can sell your planet as an NFT on the marketplace, but you can't physically get those tokens out of your planet to sell. You have to actually claim to get the tokens out, which then will reset your daily reward bonus. I hope I've explained this right. Again, the spreadsheet might not be amazing, but it just helps you guys visualize how the compounding does work and how the daily rewards would stack up. I hope this was helpful. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you on my next video.